Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in the daily newspaper of Friday, August the 7th, 2020. Second one, a two-star Sudoku. Let me focus the image, yes. Alright. And this will be number 1303. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, probably 26. The previous one has 27, but let us check if this is correct. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 6 is 20, 22, 26. Correct. 26 printed digits, numbers in this Sudoku. So let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then how about the number 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let's see which number I can pick. How about this row with 3 missing numbers? One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. Here also a 6, so no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then okay, how about the number the 9, no, the 9 I cannot use. Five in this row, 5 in that row. So the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. In this big square of 6 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have one of these 2 boxes in of a 6 in this row, We have a 6 over there in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Over there, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then no, how about the number in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. Yeah. No, I cannot. I need to wait. One, two. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue. How about yeah. All right. Yeah. 3. Yes. In this big square, so in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes in this big square. We have a 3 over there, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Let me see. That means a 3 in this column, a 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 7, 1, and 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1. Then 7, 4. Yeah. and the 7. Alright. Let me think. 2. Yeah. I need more information. One box left in this row for the number 7. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 here. There we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. There we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. There we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 5. No, 5. We have 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We have no 1, 2, 3. Here 4 and 9. 4 and 9. So we have a 9 here. This cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be the 4. Then we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the 2 and the 9. In this row, we cannot place a 2 and a 9 in this box or that box. So the 2 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 9. That means the other 2 numbers should be the numbers 5 and the 1. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 9, that means these 2 boxes in this column should be the 7 and the 7 and the 2, 7 and the 1, 7 and a 1, 7 and a 1, 7 and a 1. The other 2 numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3, I cannot write it or fill it filled in. Alright, I need to wait. It's up here. Then how about 1, 3 in this row, 3 in the first row, so in the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row, the second row, for the number 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Now I have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 1. This should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. This should be the 2 and the 3 in this row. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 3. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. We have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be the 9. 1 box left in the first row for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the 3 Stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.